7 minus 4, bracket 4 minus 2. Some people go ahead to do this first. 7 minus 4 will give us what? 3. They will go ahead and do this times. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is going to give us what? 2. Now, 2 times 3 is equals what? 6. But this is wrong. According to PEMDAS, alright, this is exponent. This is parenthesis, sorry. This is exponent. This is multiplication. This is division. This is addition. And this is subtraction. So we are going to follow the rules from left to right. So if we do that, our answer will not give us. So let's see the correct answer. So we are going to do the parenthesis first, which is this. 4 minus 2 is going to give us 2. Multiply, because a number close to parenthesis is multiplication. So you multiply 4 minus 7. So we are left with 7 minus 2, 7 negative 4 multiplied by 2. Alright, so we have a negative sign and a multiplication sign. My PEMDAS rule tells me that multiplication comes before subtraction. Alright, so multiplication comes before subtraction. So we have to do this first, which is 4 times 2. 4 times 2 will give us 8. So we'll bring down our 7 minus 8. So 7 minus 8 is going to give us minus 1. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Bye.